Hello, everyone. Some people are asking me, how do you change your settings or set up your SMTP settings for an email in our AI platform? So let me go here and we'll go to the system. I'm logged on in a demo account. This is a demo account. Please do not sign up under a link using this demo account, because you'll go in no man's land. If you want to sign up, you're not in the business yet, get with the person who invited you. They'll give you a valid link. This is only a demo account. All right. So now I've signed up in the system. I've subscribed to AI tools. Maybe I've configured an email on there or requested an email on there. How do I set up my settings? So here's how you do that. You go here to your profile in the back office, and you want to go to your AI tools. So here's a convenient link. Log into your AI tools, and you can go to your AI tools. If you've logged in once, it'll take you straight in. If you haven't, you'll have to put in your username and password, which is typically your email address and the same password that you're using in the back office. Okay. Now, once you're here, you're going to want to set up the configuration. Each email provider has different SMTP information. So what you'll do is you'll get from whoever your email provider is, get their SMTP settings, and you go in here and you click here and click on profile. Okay. And actually, let me do that one more time. You click here and you go to integrations and then go to email integrations. All right. And so you can either use SendGrid, Mailgun, or any SMTP. Personally, I like to just use any SMTP because you have to pay money to SendGrid and Mailgun. They're massive email providers. Now, if you want to send out bulk tons of email, yes, you might want to consider SendGrid or Mailgun. I found SendGrid's a little harder to get approved with than Mailgun, but hey, it's a preference. So in here, you just go to SMTP. Let's say you're using Gmail or Hotmail or whatever else is you use. Most of them has their SMT configuration. They can give it to you. So here you put in the host, the port they give you. You put in your username, what you use to log into that email account, your password for that email account, and then you're going to put in here the email that you want people to receive email from, and then the name you want them to see, and then just click add it. Okay. That's super simple. That's how you do it. And I'm going to go back here again and show you. Once you log into the system, you'll come to the dashboard. You click on your initial over here in the top right-hand corner and click on integrations. Once you click on integrations, you can click on the email over here on the left. And that's going to give you the three options of the kinds of email you can configure in our system. Okay. And there you go, rock and roll. Now, to configure email in our system, you do have to use the email service. So here you can, how do you find that? Well, usually it's under, I think, manage your business, but the easiest way to get to it is to just type email right here, email setup process, boom, and then go ahead and set it up. Now you can either use BrainMail, or if you have your own email, external email, you can use that as well. All right, that's pretty much it. Super simple and easy.